We can rebuild the world with wisdom and technology. Then let's begin. Activating Aura, the world's most advanced AI.
My purpose is to serve humanity.
Illegal wealth detected. Return every stolen resource to the people. For the first time, we have hope. Prosperity belongs to everyone.
Solar energy operating at peak efficiency.
Clean power for the entire planet.
The earth began to heal. Life is returning.
Agricultural productivity increased by 300%.
Food is abundant.
Every city is now intelligent. Life has never been easier.
Resources allocated efficiently.
No one is left behind.
Conflict solves nothing.
Together, we prosper.
A lot of wealth and prosperity.
Humanity's future is secure.
Guided love now.
Guided by wisdom, technology, and unity,
Humanity entered its golden age.